Hello, YouTube. Has anyone ever had issues signing into Binance while they are on a business trip to a country which restricts the use of Binance.com, for example, in the US, where you are required to use Binance.us? Now, unfortunately, since you're not a US resident or citizen, it wouldn't help to go on Binance.us. So the best thing to do is to use VPN, in which it shows that your IP address is still in your home country, and then you will be able to gain access again to your Binance account. Now, whether you need VPN to sign into Binance or any other crypto trading platforms while you are in a restricted country like the US, or if you just need VPN to protect your privacy while surfing the web, well, you have come to the right video. This is going to be a very simple walkthrough of how to use VPN with Surfshark. I have included a link in the description below, and if you guys just click right into it, you will see this. And as you can see, there are three plans: the 1 month, the 6 month, and of course the middle one, which is definitely the best deal, the 24 months plan, which is only $2.50 per month. Of course, that's probably one of the best deals that you can ever find amongst all competitors. Obviously, there are a lot of VPN providers out there, but I guess amongst all the more reliable ones, this is definitely a very nice bargain. Okay, and even the 1 month one, guys, if you just wanted to check it out, or if it's just real urgent and you don't want to be like, tied down for 6 months, okay, even the 1 month is actually not a bad deal. Okay, so moving on. It's very simple. I'm actually not going to do it with you guys because you guys are way too smart and you guys can probably just do this on your own. Okay, so go ahead and create your account. Okay, put in an email because this is the one that you're going to be using to to sign in once you install the application. And by the way, in case you guys have not figured out, yes, I am using a MacBook Pro. So I will assume that the Windows version will be very similar. So number 3, the Surfshark alert and search. I actually didn't get that. I didn't really feel like, it was necessary, but you guys can definitely check it out. If you need, it's just an additional 99 cents a month. I just didn't feel like it was necessary in my case. And at the bottom is very self-explanatory. You've got the credit card, PayPal, Amazon Pay, and cryptocurrency even, okay? So you can go ahead and just do that. Once you've made the payment, Surfshark will bring you to another page where you can download the installer. And then once you install, you can delete the installer. And in my case, you will be able to find it in the applications. To use Surfshark before you sign into Binance or any kind of website where you feel like you would need VPN, double click on the icon. And if you don't see the app pop up already, just come on down here at the dock and just click it one more time. So next you would just type in your email and the password that you previously created and log in. So once you have successfully signed in, you would see a screen just like this. Now, before you connect, which is just very simple, this turquoise button right here where it says connect, you want to make sure that you select the country which you are originally from. Now, of course, for some people who might want to use VPN for a different purpose, well, that's also okay. You can pick whichever country, whichever city, okay, you want it to be. And once you click on that, you see how, like, when you click on the country right away, it will just connect you, okay? So instead of clicking on, the connect button, just pick the country, okay? So in my case, I am from Australia, okay? Australia, Sydney, okay? So you would just click on that and it will connect you. So that was pretty fast. Boom, there you go. This means you are now connected, okay? So your VPN would appear as being located in Sydney, Australia. It's literally that easy. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video useful. Again, the link is in the description below if you guys want to download Surfshark. This is not a paid nor sponsored video. I'm doing this purely because I found this really helpful for me. And I wish that, no one would have to run into similar issues when they need to execute a very urgent order on Binance or similar platforms. Have a great day, and please remember to like and share the video. Thank you.